Hey guys.
Hello.
Today we are exploring Santa Cruz.
Santa Cruz.
With my best friend Jess.
Me.
Dylan. And
I'm David Hasselhoff.
let's explore. I'm honestly shocked at how many people come to the beach on a day that it's so cold. There's so many people playing volleyball over there in like winter jackets. Yeah. So I didn't expect for California to be this cold in September.
That's what I wrote.
It looks like a fake rock. It feels like a fake rock. Fake rock. Weird. Okay. This looks like two footprints and someone just kept sliding into the same spot for eternity. That's my take on it, at least.
Right now we're coming into low tide, the tide is falling. You can touch these, you're not supposed to, but they're anemones. Look what happens when I touch it.
What?
It feels like it's grabbing you.
Oh, that's so weird. That's what my rib cage looks like too. It's got a mesh. Jessica.
Hi.
Where are we going next?
We are going to the pier.
The pier.
The Santa Cruz Pier and Boardwalk.
Fancy.
Boardwalk.
Boardwalk. Let's go.
Hello. How are you? It's me. Welcome to Santa Cruz. We just did tide pooling. It was very cool. They're like small little ecosystems. I don't live here, but I love it here because Santa Cruz is the best. Did you fall?
No, I tried to do a fun jump, but I think it might have looked more like a fall than a jump.
It's really embarrassing for you, but it's fine.
It's really embarrassing if you feel embarrassed. And I'm 28 now, so I don't feel feelings anymore.
Yeah.
Do you?
No.
We've decided to get a drink first.
Yes, one drink first at the Tiki Bar. It is a spinning bar, very cool. And then we will check out the sea lions.
It'll be great. We've been slowly moving, though you can't tell. We're in a different spot than when we started.
As you can see, we're now by the window, whereas in the beginning, we were over by the door because it is in fact rotating.
You remember when we were all the way over there?
I'm sorry.
Now we're over here. What are you getting?
Courageous Koi. Enjoy it.
Yeah?
Yes, very much.
Very fruity?
No,
No?
it's more like a whiskey thing.
The ladybug.
The ladybug. And how's yours?
The almond is killer.
Yeah? I did tell you to get psyched.
It's super fucking almond. Yeah.
I'm getting the Hawaiian Mai Tai. Strong.
Yeah.
Strong.
We love a strong drink.
Very nice and fruity.
Gets the job done.
Oh yeah.
Now, this one right there. That's good.
Is it good? Is it strong?
Yeah.
Mine is strong. Oh yeah. Cheers, guys.
Cheers.
Definitely shots of everything.
Shots. We're gonna take some shots now. Shots of scenery, shots of tequila, shots.
That's why you're my best friend. Oh, this is so nice here. That's a starfish?
all the way to the bottom.
We're at the end of the pier and we have sea lions, we have the best seafood, we have a nice cool breeze because even though it's California, it's Northern California, which nobody realizes. It can
Central California though.
It can get a bit nipply. And we are on our way to the boardwalk.
I thought we were gonna get wine.
Right. We're going to go get wine and then we're going to go to the boardwalk.
Yes, we are.
See him doing this.
Well, we all got festive.
Like throw a mean shoulder.
Yeah.
Yup. All right, what do we do here?
Water. What color is the water today? Look through the tiles to see the water's true color. Find the best color to match.
None of them.
Photos share on Instagram.
No. It's on YouTube. We were gonna do more, but we got wine drunk. And there's live music, so what else could one really want? Okay, so we may have gotten a little bit of wine drunk.
Ignore this.
Ignore the shot glass around her. But we're gonna go see the boardwalk now.
We're going to see the boardwalk.
Boardwalk.
Santa Cruz.
Boardwalk!
Boardwalk. So that's the pier over there. Pier. Boardwalk.
Boardwalk.
Was that stable? Am I wobbly? But the boardwalk is more for children. Can you take this? I don't like this control.
Oh shit. That is my nightmare fuel.
Oh my god, it's scary.
Nice. White Claws? The pirate, bro. He's up there.
Oh shit. Where's Jess? Oh my god, she's already all the way over here. And there's no one in it.
More for the. Oh, hello.
So that is what we're currently doing at the Santa Cruz Pier. Vlog. We're vlogging.
Oh, look at that White Claw.
What are you wearing right now?
It's California.
How did you get moved with that? What a mistake this is.